Overseas, Brazil says it is losing its battle to control the spread of the Zika virus and warned it has now become an international threat.
With Zika virus spreading like wildfire in the Americas, concerns are growing in other parts of the world. Vicky Wong reports.
The latest country to report Zika virus infections outside the Americas is Canada. But health officials are downplaying concerns, saying they all had contracted the disease from travelling to countries where the virus is actively circulating.
We need to reassure Canadians that the risk in Canada is very, very low. And I want to repeat that it's an association with microcephaly. It's an association that has not been proven yet.
Meanwhile, media reports from New Zealand say one man is in hospital with Zika virus symptoms. The male patient is showing signs of Guillain-Barré syndrome, one of the illnesses linked to the Zika virus.
We are really fortunate on two counts. One is that the mosquito is not here, that transmits these diseases, which is a really good thing. And secondly, that we've got really good border protection around mosquitoes and a whole range of other insects.
Concerns are also growing in the US, where it was reported yesterday that at least 7 people in New York have been infected with the Zika virus. Medical experts are stressing that none of the patients contracted the infection through being bitten by a mosquito within the United States.
The issue that's the real issue is the pregnancy issue, and that should not be taken lightly, because if there is indeed, and again evidence is mounting, that there is a true connection, that's something that has to be taken very seriously, which is the reason why the CDC did something they don't usually do. They said, you know, if you're pregnant, that we tell you, just think seriously about postponing your travel to these regions.
The mosquito-transmitted virus has been linked to smaller heads and brains in thousands of babies in Brazil, the worst affected country. Brazilian President Dilma Rousseff today admitted her country is losing its battle to control the spread of the virus and warned it has now become an international threat. She said thousands of soldiers will be joining a nationwide effort to eliminate mosquito infestations next month, and battalions have begun specialized training. The World Health Organization said yesterday that the number of infections in the Americas could top 4 million by year's end. There's no known vaccine or treatment for Zika virus infection at the moment.